Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to use mic on PlayStation 5 controller without headset. Let's go. Open settings, sound, microphone, input device. Choose microphone on controller. Open adjust microphone level. Check if the microphone of the controller is working. If you connect headphones, the microphone from the headphones will be used. In order for you to use both the headphones and the microphone of the controller, you need a splitter. Connect the headphones to the splitter. Connect the headphone input to the controller. Audio output headphones. Microphone on controller. That's it. Now you know how to use mic on PlayStation 5 controller without headset. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.